So, want to help me catch some fish?
Good on you. We're gonna feed Toothless. I don't need a fishing pole, Dad. I'll just butt the wee fishes in the one we feed. Ow. 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 Yes, it worked.
Zephyr, what are you doing?
Testing my dragon defense system.
Remember when we were kids, back in Oldburg, how we used to put on a pageant at Snoggletog?
How come you never told us the truth about dragons?
But we did. Dragons are wonderful. They're our friends.
Are they giant?
Well, yeah.
Razor sharp teeth? Breathe fire?
I suppose so.
Claws?
That'd be yes.
What happened to your leg?
Oh.
Nothing. Do you want to be dessert for a dragon? Methinks I don't. Let's kill the dragons!
How did this happen? And then I stood my ground and touched one. I touched a dragon. That's hardcore.
You got me!
Kid can take a hit.
Robert, think of the kids. We're doing this for them. Honey, I don't know if I want to go through with this.
You're on.
Yeah, Astrid, what?
Nope. Whatever. He's beautiful. Why didn't you tell me you were really going to bring him here?
I have literally no idea what she's talking about.
I'm Stoic the Bear. I'm Toothless. Let's be friends.
It was exactly what everyone needed. For the kids, and for the memory of my father.
Oh.
Wait!
Oh, that's clever.
And? You're good.
Ah, so proud.
Whoa, look at that. It's so cool.
It's beautiful. Hiccup, did you do this?
No. Toothless! And then it hit me. Our loved ones are always nearby, when we hold them in our hearts. There were dragons when I was a boy. Oh, there were great, grim sky dragons that nested on the cliff tops like gigantic, scary birds. Little brown scuttly dragons that hunted down the mice and rats in well-organized packs. Preposterously huge sea dragons that were 20 times as big as the big blue whale.
It's okay. He's not gonna eat your father.
Here,
Go on. It's all right.
come. He won't hurt you. Hold your hands out, like this. That's it. Let him come to you.